In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let ChatGPT query your app data. To get started, the first thing you need to do is identify exactly what data you want ChatGPT to access. This is an important planning step because you want to be intentional about what becomes available through your AI workflow. That could include customer records, orders, inventory, projects, support tickets, reports, or knowledge base articles. The key rule here is simple. Only expose data that a user is already authorized to view. If someone should not be able to see a record inside your app, ChatGPT should not be able to retrieve it for them either. Next, make sure your app is connected to a database or supported backend. This could be something like Supabase, PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, REST APIs, or another supported data source. Before moving on, verify that your app can successfully read the data you need. If your application cannot reliably fetch the information on its own, ChatGPT will not be able to query it properly either. Once that foundation is in place, create read-only MCP tools for retrieving information. These tools should be focused on lookup and search tasks, such as searching customers, getting order details, listing projects, finding support tickets, searching products, or pulling a sales report. Keeping query tools separate from any update or write tools is a best practice because it reduces the risk of accidental changes to your data. After that, implement the query logic for each MCP tool by connecting it to your backend. Depending on the use case, that might involve searching records, filtering results, sorting data, retrieving a single record, returning summaries, or performing aggregate calculations. As you build this layer, validate all input parameters before running any database query. That helps prevent bad requests and protects your system from misuse. Security comes next, and it should be treated as a requirement, not an afterthought. Protect sensitive data with user authentication, OAuth if supported, role-based permissions, row-level access controls, and server-side authorization. Most importantly, never rely on the AI client alone to enforce permissions. Now publish your MCP server, deploy it or start it, then confirm that it launches successfully, that all your query tools are registered, and that the server is reachable by your AI client. From there, connect ChatGPT by opening settings or connectors depending on your version, adding your MCP server, completing authentication, and verifying the connection works. Once connected, ChatGPT will discover the query tools your server exposes. Then test real data queries using natural language prompts and confirm the results match your application records. As usage grows, improve performance with indexes, record limits, pagination, optimize queries, and caching where appropriate. Finally, monitor access and usage by tracking query performance, authentication failures, access logs, database errors, and commonly requested data. Regular monitoring helps you keep the experience fast, accurate, and secure.